Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we will tell you about the Spookyshiba token, reasons why you should invest in Spookyshiba, how to use Tokenomics, where to buy it, and its current price and prediction. So, first let's learn about the Spookyshiba a little more. The first of its kind, Spookyshiba is a horror genre token that takes being just another coin to a whole other level. Spookyshiba has been featured on Yahoo Finance, BTC Manager, Crypto News, and Bitcoin.com to name a few, and it's no wonder why. Whether you've been into crypto for a while or are just starting out, Spookyshiba is growing rapidly and is well worth buying into right now. With its unique approach to the crypto world and in the creation of several games that will tie directly into the NFT marketplace, there is no reason not to buy Spookyshiba right now. Here are just some reasons why you should definitely invest in Spookyshiba. 1. Its market cap is growing rapidly. 2. Currently inexpensive to purchase. 3. One of the fastest growing altcoin Telegram groups of all time. 4. Multiple social media platforms to be able to keep up with the coin. 5. Can purchase all over the world. How did Spookyshiba come to be? These are a few of the cool features that make up Spookyshiba, the horror coin that's here to stay. With all these spooky surprises waiting for you around every corner, it might just give you a heart rate spike that will be worthwhile. The Spookyshiba token has proven to be more than just a seasonal phenomenon. In fact, it gained its grip in the BSC realm after its release in October of 2021. Some thought its value would plummet after October 31st, when Halloween came to an end, but quite the opposite happened. They don't say spooky season never ends for nothing. Make no mistake, people are taking notice of Spookyshiba, including many crypto influencers. What sets Spooky apart? Not many companies can claim to be doing more than marketing and capitalizing on a genre, but Spookyshiba has found a way. They are providing utility behind our name through an upcoming DApp NFT scratch card game that was just released, which connects with our NFT marketplace. The DApp is a P2E, play-to-earn, technology that allows holders of at least $100 to play once every 24 hours with a chance to win an NFT from Spookyshiba's NFT marketplace. Some people are always looking for an opportunity to win the big prize. By connecting your wallet, holders can try either 1 or 3 times every 24 hours. If they're lucky enough, then winners will receive their NFTs and be able to enjoy all its features, including being traded on our new marketplace launch coming soon. Spookyshiba may be the world's most undervalued crypto today, but not for long. To top it all off, the holders of a Spookyshiba NFT will enjoy an exclusive opportunity to earn commission on all transactions conducted within our marketplace, based upon how many and what type they own. The team is working hard on releasing an Ethereum bridge soon, which will allow investors in both blockchains to profit from BNB token trading. With more projects like this coming down the pipeline, it won't be long before we see them rise even higher and allow two to become one. In addition, they have created the first holder evolution crypto video game, which also ties the holders into the game by allowing the holders to be the ones who decide the true destiny of the gaming experience. Does it get any easier than having fun and making money at the same time? Now you know why Spookyshiba is a world first. Where to buy Spookyshiba token? Given below are the simple steps to get this coin. The buyer needs to register their name on the fiat to crypto exchange platform. You need to buy BTC. Need to transfer BTC to altcoin. We need to convert the BTC to the Binance platform. Now you can buy the Spookyshiba token. Spookyshiba Tokenomics. Buy tax, 7%. Sell tax, 7%. 3% marketing. 4% liquidity. Spookyshiba price prediction. Note, our predictions are generated by machine learning and AI, and should not be used for making financial decisions. Investors are responsible for their own investment. We cannot guarantee any profit. As of 2022 February 8, Tuesday, current price of Spookyshiba is $0.000001, and our data indicates that the asset price has been in an uptrend for the past 1 year, or since its inception. Spookyshiba has been showing a rising tendency, so we believe that similar market segments were very popular in the given time frame. We use a custom algorithm based on deep learning that helps our users to decide if Spookyshiba could be a bad portfolio addition for the future. These predictions take several variables into account such as volume changes, price changes, market cycles, similar coins. Future price of the asset is predicted at $6.0243314073623E11, minus 99.994% after a year according to our prediction system. This means that if you invested $100 now, your current investment may be worth $0.0059999999999949 on 2023 February 8, Wednesday. This means that this asset is not suited as a new addition to your portfolio, as trading in bear markets, especially for less experienced traders, is always harder. Talking about the live price of Spookyshiba today, it is $0.00000000001232 with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,187,895. Spookyshiba is up 84.10% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 3002, and a maximum supply of 1 quintillion Spookyshiba coins. I hope now you guys know enough about the Spookyshiba and this will help you in your decision making. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.